morning students. In the second video, I continue the exercise number 3.1, question number 4. Using Vita formula, we are doing the first 3 sums. Here also we are doing the same procedure followed here. See what is the question? Solve the equation 3x cube minus 16x square plus 23x minus 6 equal to 0. If the product of the two root is 1. What is the solution? What is the question itself given? The product of the two root is given. So this is the very important step. Product of two root is 1. That only we taken very important. So what is the solution? Given equation. What is the given equation? 3x cube minus 16x square plus 23x minus 6 equal to 0. Here what is our A? A equal to 3, B equal to minus 6, C equal to 23, D equal to minus 6. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is nothing but what? Minus B by A. Why we are using the three roots? Given question is what? Cubic equation. So we take the three roots alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B by A. Minus of what is our B? B equal to minus 16. Minus of minus 16 divided by 3. That is nothing but what? Plus 16 by 3. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma alpha. The product of the roots as do the addition in pairs. So alpha beta, alpha into beta, the product of the two roots with the addition. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to what? C by A. That is nothing but what? 23 by 3. Already you taken what is C, what is A? 23 by 3. Again alpha beta gamma equal to what? Minus D by A. Minus of what is our D? D is also minus 6. So minus of minus 6 is what? Plus 6. 6 by 3 is nothing but what? 2. Now we take the roots. What is the question itself given? Product of the two root is alpha, beta and product of two root is what? 1. Therefore let the roots be alpha 1 by alpha comma beta, because product of the root. Suppose alpha into 1 by alpha is nothing but what? 1. Therefore the question itself given, the product of two root is 1. Therefore, we take let the roots be alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta. The three roots alpha, beta, gamma is taken as alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta, because the product of the two root, that is alpha into 1 by alpha. Alpha and its reciprocal of the alpha is nothing but what? A product of reciprocal is multiplied by product is nothing but what? Multiplication. Alpha into 1 by alpha equal to 1. Therefore, let we take the roots, because question itself given, product of the two root is 1. 2 root is 1. Therefore, let the roots be alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta. Therefore, summation of 1 is what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. First add the three roots. Summation of 1 is nothing but what? Add the three roots. Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta equal to 16 by 3. This is keep it as equation 1. Summation of 2 is what? What is our summation of 2? Product of two roots with the addition. Alpha into first and second root. Alpha into 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha into beta plus beta into alpha. Beta into alpha. So alpha cancelled. We get what? 1 plus beta by alpha. Here alpha cancelled. Plus beta by alpha plus beta into alpha equal to what? 23 by 3. This is summation of 2. Summation of 3 is what? Alpha beta gamma. So alpha into 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So here also alpha cancel. We get what? Beta equal to 2. Using the 3 equation, we are going to do the sum. Substitute the third equation in 1. What is the third equation? What is beta? Beta equal to nothing but we find out what? 2. Substitute 3 in 1. Now alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta equal to 16 by 3. See the equation. Beta equal to the third equation. Substitute what is I told you. Substitute third equation. The value of beta in equation 1. What is the first equation? Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta equal to 16 by 3. I rewrite here one more time. Say one more time. Afterwards I substitute here. Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta equal to 16 by 3. Alpha plus 1 by alpha. Instead of beta, what you are substituting? 2 equal to 16 by 3. Now alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to 16 by 3 plus 2 become what? 2? Minus 2. Now alpha plus 1 by alpha equal only calculation. See 16, 3 take the LCM. 3 2s are 6. 16 minus 6 divided by 3 equal to 10 by 3. That is what? Alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to 10 by 3. Now alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to 10 by 3. So we alpha into alpha is what? Alpha square plus 1 divided by alpha. So take the LCM. Alpha into alpha is what? Alpha square plus 1 by alpha equal to 10 by 3. Just we do the cross multiplication. 3 into alpha square plus 1 equal to 10 into alpha. Now 3 into alpha square is 3 alpha square plus 3 ones are 3 plus 10 alpha become what? Minus 10 alpha equal to 0. Now we make as the arrangement of what? Quadratic equation in terms of alpha. So x square x term constant. Similarly, instead of x square having alpha square, 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 3 equal to 0. We make a quadratic equation. Using factorization method, we solve the alpha value. So what is sum? Sum is what? Minus 10. Product is what? 3 3s are 9. Sum is what? Minus 10. Product is 3 3s are 9. So product minus 9 into minus 1. Minus 9 into minus 1 it's what? Plus 9. 9 ones are 9. Minus 9 minus 1. Minus into minus become plus 9. Again minus 9 minus 1 is nothing but what? Minus 10. What are the method you followed for your factorization? Now, if you, what is the first number here? Without forgetting the first number, divide by 3. You divide by 3. 3 alpha, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Here unable to cancel. So how to rewrite this one? Alpha minus 3. Alpha minus 3 with factorization. Alpha minus 3. This quadratic equation is converted into what? A linear equation. Alpha minus 3 into 3 alpha minus 1. 3 alpha minus 1. Now alpha minus 3 equal to 0. This implies alpha equal to what? Plus 3. Again 3 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. 3 alpha equal to 1. Alpha equal to 1 by 3. So we find the value for alpha. Because we take the roots is what? We take our root is at alpha, 1 by alpha and beta. That is instead of alpha, beta, gamma, we take the root what? Let the roots are what we take? Alpha, comma, 1 by alpha, comma, beta. We get the result already for beta. For equation 3, we get already beta. Beta equal to 2. So alpha value is what? 3. Here what? Alpha value is also 3. So 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 2. Therefore solve the equation. What is the question given? Solve the equation whose product is. Solve the equation. The product of the two root is 1. Using the two product. The product of two root is 1. Using the concept. Let the roots are taken. That is very important step. Alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta. So using the summation of 1, summation of 2, summation of 3, we solve the equation. First we find the value for our alpha. After finding the value for alpha, next you substitute the result, we get it. For in the equation 3 itself, we get the result for beta equal to 2. In the equation 3 itself, we get the result for beta equal to 2. Therefore, using the substitute 3 in 1, we get alpha value. After getting the alpha value, substitute alpha equal to what? 3. 1 by 3 instead of beta, we substitute what? That only we solve the equation. Therefore, the roots are alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta. That is the values what? 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 2. Therefore, the three roots are 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 2. The question is very important. The product of two root is 1. Therefore, take the two roots are what? Alpha comma 1 by alpha. Now come to the fifth sum. What is the fifth question? Find the fifth question. Find the sum of the squares of the. Find the sum of the squares of the. Underline it. Find the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation is 2x power 4 minus 8x cubed plus 6x square minus 3 equal to 0. What is the given equation? Given equation is 2x power 4 minus 8x cubed plus 6x square minus 3 equal to 0. Here what is A? A equal to 2, B equal to minus 8, C equal to 6, D equal to minus 3. Let us consider the four roots. What are the four? Why we select the four roots? Because the power of the x is what? 4. Here having the fourth degree equation. Therefore, how many roots we need? 4 roots we need. Alpha, beta, gamma and delta. This is nothing but what? Delta, DEL, delta, alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Therefore, similarly, we find the summation of 1, summation of 2. See, simply add the single individual means summation of 1. This is nothing but what? Summation of 2. So, alpha plus summation of 1, this is what? Summation of 2. Summation 1 is what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. We add the 4 roots. That is nothing but what? Minus b by a. Minus of, what is our b value? B value is what? Minus 8. Minus of minus 8 divided by 2. You can minus into minus become plus. 8 by 2 equal to 4. Again, summation of 2 is nothing but what? Say alpha, beta, alpha, gamma, alpha, delta. Without memorizing, easily find out alpha, beta, alpha, gamma, alpha, delta. Again, beta, gamma, beta, delta. Balance is what? Gamma, delta. Totally 6 units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, summation of 2 is nothing but product of the two root afterwards we add. Equal to what? This is also what? C by A. What is our C? C is what? 6. 6 by what is our A? A is 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but what? 3. We get 3. What is the question given? Sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. Sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. We remember the formula. What is the formula? We know that a plus b plus c plus d the whole square. Therefore, that's like that. Alpha algebraic formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus the whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus 2 into the same result. Already we find the summation of 2. Alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta. So plus beta gamma, beta delta, gamma delta. This is nothing but what? Sum of the squares of the roots. What is the meaning? Sum of the squares of the roots means what? You square the root, as afterwards you submit the sum of the squares. How many roots having? 4 roots. The 4 roots you square it, afterwards submit. Sum the roots. That is nothing but what? We want to find the value for alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. So keep it alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square in the one side equal to, this is alpha plus beta plus the gamma whole square. The plus become, this side goes to the left hand side, it will become what? Minus. So see the result. This alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, only this result we need, because this is nothing but what? Sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square equal to, rewrite the given alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus 2 into the write the result. So already we find what is our sum. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but summation of 1. This is nothing but what? Summation of 2. Already we find a summation of 1 is what? 4 square. What we find out? Summation of 1 is 4 square. Summation of 2 is what? 3. We find already. See here, we find summation of 1. Summation of 1 is nothing but what? 4. Summation of 2 is, we find it already what? 3. So using the result summation of 1, summation of in the given equation. So you substitute the value. So summation of alpha plus beta plus gamma, instead of you write what? 4 square minus 2 into summation of 2 is nothing but what? 3. Now 4 square is nothing but what? 16. 2 3s are 6. 16 minus 6 equal to 0. This is therefore the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. Sum of the squares of the roots of the equation is what? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square equal to 10. This is nothing but what? Sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. If you understand the question, that is very easy for you. These are asking in the 2-mark question. Now, next come to the 6th sum. What is our 6th question? Solve the equation. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. If it is given that, what is given? Two of its roots are in the ratio 3:2. The roots are given what? In the ratio 3:2. For the 4th sum, the product of the root is 1. For the 5th sum of the squares of the roots. Here the asking is what? 2 of its roots. The 2 roots are in the ratio. The roots are given in the ratio in the 3:2. That is cubic equation. Among the cubic equation, 2 roots are given in the ratio what? 3:2. Keep it in mind. Read the question properly. Afterwards, it depends upon the question, we take the roots. Now, what is the given equation? Given equation is what? X cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. Let the 3 roots regularly what we take? Alpha, beta and gamma, because this is a cubic equation. Therefore, we take the roots are what? Alpha, beta, gamma. We know from the equation what is A equal to 1. B equal to what? Minus 9. C equal to 14. D equal to 24. Write down the values. Next, what is the question? The 2 roots are. What are the first 2 roots? Alpha and beta. Take the 2 roots are in the ratio 3:2. That is alpha and beta. Alpha is to beta equal to 3:2. So having the ratio means multiplied with the constant. That is alpha equal to 3k, beta equal to 2k. If ratio means we write in the constant value, multiplied with one of the constant. The constant taken as k or lambda, whatever the things we taken as. So alpha equal to 3k or 3 lambda. As here we should 3t, whatever like you take one of the constant. Now I am using k. Alpha equal to 3k. Beta equal to what? 2k. Now what is summation of 1? Summation of 1 is what? Alpha plus beta, sum of the root, or summation of 1. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. What is our b? B is nothing but what? Minus 9. A is what? 1. So minus of minus 9 divided by 1. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 9. So what is our alpha? Alpha is taken as 3k. Beta equal taken as what? 2k. Gamma is rewritten as itself gamma equal to 9. Now 3k plus 2k is what? 5k. 3k plus 2k plus gamma equal to 9. 3k plus 2k is what? 5k. 5k plus gamma equal to 9. Now gamma equal to 9 minus 5k. So we use all the values in terms of k. Alpha is already taken 3k, 2k. Gamma also find in terms of k. Now gamma value is what? 9 minus 5k. Now summation of 2 or alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to C by A. Same result. Summation of what is alpha plus beta plus gamma. Using this result, we find the value of gamma in terms of k. Next, we are going to summation of 2. Summation of 2 is nothing but what? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to C by A. So, substitute the value for alpha, beta and gamma. What is our alpha? Alpha equal to 3k. Beta is what? 2k. 3k into 2k plus beta gamma. Beta value is what? 2k. Gamma value is what? 9 minus 5k plus gamma into alpha. Gamma value is what? 9 minus 5k into what is our alpha? Alpha equal to 3k equal to C by A. What is our C? C is nothing but what? 14. 14 by 1. So from the equation we remember the value for A, B, C. Already we finished that in the before I did that one. So we know that A, B, C, D value. What is C by A? C is what? 14. What is the value of A? A equal to 1. So simplify this result. So 3 2s are 6k square plus 2 9s are what? 18k. 2 5s are what? 10. K into k is nothing but what? Minus k square. Again 9 minus 5k is multiplied with 3k. 9 3s are what? 27k minus 5 3s are what? 15k square equal to 14. So arrange it in order. Add the k square value. What are the k square? 6k square minus 10k square minus 15k square. What is the result? 6 minus 10 is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 15 is nothing but what? Minus 19k square plus what are the k value? 18k plus 27k. 18k plus 27k is nothing but what? 45k equal to 14. Now minus 19k square plus 45k plus 14 become what? 14 minus 14 equal to 0. Now arrange it in the order. It is a quadratic equation. In any equation the minus sign is not possible for the first term. Therefore we want to remove the minus sign. Just we multiply minus with minus sign with the both sides. So minus 19k square multiply minus means what? 19k square minus become plus 19k square minus 45k plus 14 equal to 0. Here what is our A? A equal to 19. B equal to minus 45, C equal to what? 14. So you are using either what? Factorization method or what? Formula method. If you are having the number is very big number, using the formula method is very easy for you. What is the formula? Recall the formula. The quadratic equations in terms of k, therefore k equal to. For x square, x means in terms of x is equal to. Remember the formula one more time. This also studied in the 10th standard. K equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. K equal to, what is the formula? Recall the formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now minus, what is our b value? B value is nothing but what? Minus 45. Minus of minus 45 plus or minus root of minus 45 the whole square minus 4 into 19 into 14 divided by 2 into 19. Next 45 plus or minus root of 2025. Multiply the three numbers, we get what? 1064 divided by 38. 45 plus or minus square root of 2025 minus 1064 divided by 38. Now what is our k? K equal to 45 plus or minus root 961 divided by 38. Now 45 plus or minus root 961 is a what number? Prime number. 30 multiplied 31 into 31. 31 is multiplied with 31, we get 961. So 45 plus or minus root of 31 into 31 divided by 38. Now 45 plus or minus, among take the square root. Taking square root for the 31 and 31, we get only 131. So 45 plus or minus 31 divided by 38. First we find the value for C. K equal to 45 plus 31 divided by 38. Again 45 minus 31 divided by 38. We get, this is a quadratic equation. We get two values for what? K. We get the two values for K. First we take the positive plus value. Not positive. First add the two roots. 45 plus 31 divided by 38. So K equal to 45 plus 31 is nothing but what? 76. 76 by 38. That is K equal to 130 is 2 times what? 76. Therefore we get the value K equal to 2. K equal to 2. Similarly here what? K equal to 45 minus 31 divided by 38. So 45 minus 31 is what? 14. 14 by 38. Just to cancel the two table, we divide it. 7 2s are 14. 19 2s are what? 18. Therefore, what is the result we get? K equal to 7 by 19. Therefore, we get the two value for K. One of the values K equal to 2. Another value is what? K equal to 7 by 19. When K equal to 2. When K equal to 2, what is our alpha we taken as? Alpha equal to 3K, beta equal to 2K, gamma also 9 minus 5Q. Substitute all the K values in the result. So, 3 alpha equal to 3K, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Beta equal to 2K, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. Gamma equal to 9 minus 5K. Now what? 9 minus 5 into 2. Now 5 2s are what? 10. Minus 10 plus 9 is that is nothing but what? Minus 1. Therefore, we get the result for alpha 6, beta value is 4, gamma value is what? Minus 1. When K equal to 7 by 19, because we get the two value. This is a quadratic equation in terms of K. Now, K equal to 7 by 19 means alpha equal to 3K. 3 into, instead of K, what you are substituting? 19. 3 7s are 21 by 19. Beta equal to what? 2 into 7 by 19. 2 into 2 7s are what? 14. 14 by 19. Again, gamma equal to what? 9 minus 5 into 7 by 19. 9 minus 5 7s are what? 35. 35 by 19. Now what happened? 35 by 19 is nothing but what? 19. See, take the LCM. 19 into 9 is what? 171. 171 minus 35 divided by 19. That is gamma equal to 136. 171 minus 35 is what? 136 by 19. Therefore, the roots are, what are the roots? Alpha, beta, gamma equal to, what are the result we get? 21 by 19, comma, 14 by 19. See, 21 by 19. Again, second value is what? First value is 21 by 19. Second value is what? 14 by 19. Third value is what? 136 by 19. You write the two values. If K equal to 2, what are the roots? If K equal to, the roots are what? Alpha, beta, gamma equal to 6, 4, minus 1. If K equal to 7 by 19, we get the roots are what? 21 by 19, 14 by 19, 136 by 19. Clearly write the two roots, because if K equal to 2, write the what is the value given? It's 6, 4, minus 1. If K equal to 2. If K equal to 17 by 19, what the roots are we find out? These roots are find out. Write both the values for the K. We write the two roots, either 6, 4, minus 1 or what? 21 by 19, 14 by 19, 36, 136 by 19. Children, go through the question properly. What is the questions? To understand the concept, afterward take the roots, product of the root, otherwise square of the sum of the root, otherwise what? The roots are in the ratio. Depends upon the question, we take the roots. If you have cubic equation, take the 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. Cubic fourth degree equations, take the 4 roots, alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Therefore, children, this is the new chapter for you. Go through then and there, do the sum properly. Again and again telling, most of the students are not watching the afternoon video properly. If you are doing the if you are listening the afternoon video, then only easily understand for the continuity of the Monday video class. So, go through the afternoon video properly, take down the notes. Thank you, children.